My 4-year-old starts preschool soon and they still take naps, and Evulum sent me this totally custom, look at this, totally custom nap mat. It's got a cute little like minky feel to it with a not super thick but not super thin squishy bottom that's super comfortable. It came with the pillow. The pillow was not inside when I got it, but I just slipped it in right there. So to wash, I just take the pillow out and throw the whole thing in the wash, and I'll probably hang dry it just because I feel like it's safer. The blanket is more than long enough to go all the way over them. Look at that. It comes out way further than this. And my 4-year-old, he's a little guy, so he only comes to about here. And look at all the extra space. So there is definitely room to grow. We are going to take it beach camping with us because this will be perfect. I was going to buy him a sleeping bag, but now that we have this, we don't need one, and it has a pillow. It's super easy to fold up. I just fold this white part in here, and then I start with the pillow and use the pillow as like the rolling guide. Roll it straight up into here, and then it has these straps right here. Let's see, maybe I can do it with one hand. It has these straps right here that easily attach. Look at that. And then this side, pull it down. Definitely easier with two hands, but definitely doable. So I feel like my 4-year-old will be able to do that if I can do it with one hand. And it has a little carrying handle. This is so cute, so practical, and he loves it. He's played soccer for the last 2 years, so he loved the soccer ball print. He has lots of trophies and said it matches my trophies. He loved this. It was so cute. It's just as easy to open up and roll back out. Just pull these out. He can do this independently. So cool. This is the cutest little set. I am obsessed with this, and he loves it too.